In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish your form using the Typeform builder and get it ready to receive responses. This is an essential step after you've put in all that effort creating your form. So, let's dive in together and make sure your form reaches your audience seamlessly. First, you'll want to open your form within the Typeform builder. It's the starting point for taking your form live, ensuring everything is just the way you want it to be before making it accessible to others. You might be in the Content tab or exploring the Workflow and Connect options, but wherever you are, look for the Share button. In some cases, you may see it labeled as Publish or Publish Edits, all neatly tucked away in the top right corner of your screen. This button is your gateway to the wider world, making your form available for anyone to engage with. Now go ahead and click on the Share button, and this will bring up the Share panel. This is where the magic happens. If you've made recent changes and want those to be part of your live form, you'll want to hit the Publish Edits button. This ensures that any tweaks, additions, or corrections you've made are included in what's shared publicly. Remember, the Publish Edits option is crucial if you're updating an existing form, as it replaces your previous version with these new updates. With your form now published, congratulations, your form is officially live. This means people can start responding, so it's time to spread the word. You have several sharing options readily available. Right at the top, you can copy the public link to your form. This URL is the direct line for people to access your form, so you can share it in a multitude of ways. If you have a website or blog, embedding your form is a fantastic way to engage visitors directly. Typeform provides you with an embed code that you can easily place on your site, making it an integral part of your digital space. For a modern twist, consider generating a QR code. This is a quick and efficient way to share your form, especially at events or in printed materials. Anyone with a smartphone can scan the code and jump straight to your form without typing long URLs. Finally, don't forget about the power of social media and email. By sharing your form through these channels, you tap into broader networks, increasing the reach and responses to your form. Each platform offers unique possibilities for interaction, so think about where your audience is most active. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, your Typeform is live and ready for responses. Take advantage of all these sharing options to ensure your form gets seen by the right people. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and that your form reaches its audience with ease. Thank you for watching, and happy form sharing.